In this video, we will show step by step on how to change the transmission fluid in your 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. First thing you will want to do is pop the hood and remove the transmission fill plug cap. This will be located behind the battery box and on top of the transmission as the mechanic shows here. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew the plug. For this next part, you'll need a drain pan or bucket to catch the fluid you drain from the transmission. Next, the mechanic will get under the vehicle and locate the transmission drain plug. With an 11mm socket or wrench, remove the drain plug to drain the fluid. This transmission only has 123,000 miles on it, and you can see how dirty the transmission fluid already is. With the fluid draining down to a drip, we are now ready to reinstall the drain plug. The drain plug will torque to 9 foot-pounds as the mechanic shows here. Be sure not to over-tighten because you can strip the threads in the transmission case that hold the plug. We can now remove the transmission check plug. This will be located beside the driver's side axle, which you can get to through the wheel well as we show here. To remove this plug, you will need an 11mm socket on an extension, just as shown here. We are now ready to add some fluid. Be sure to have a drain pan under the check plug hole to keep from making a mess. We will be adding Mobil 1 synthetic LVATF HP with the blue label. Using a long neck funnel, insert it into the fill port at the top of the transmission. You can now start adding transmission fluid. After adding 3 quarts, you can see that we have fluid coming from the check plug hole. We will now start the vehicle. Make sure that it is running in park and on level ground to get the correct fluid level. As you can see, after starting the car, we no longer have fluid coming from the check hole. Add more fluid until you see it coming out again. After adding another 1.25 quarts, you can see we are full of fluid. You will want this stream of fluid to be light at a trickle. This fluid still looks dirty. We will drive and change this fluid again before returning to the customer. The mechanic will now torque the check plug down to 9 foot-pounds. After removing your funnel, don't forget to screw your fill plug back in the top of the transmission. Hand tighten only. You are not done yet. You will need to test drive the car and recheck the fluid level again. Make sure you get the transmission up to operating temperature, which is between 95 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a way to check the temperature, drive 5 to 10 miles at 60 miles per hour. And there you have it. How to change the transmission fluid in your Chevrolet Equinox. I hope this video helped you guys. Please give a like and subscribe.